Morning, kids. We're going to try another math review. Today I have two numbers, and we're going to try to find out before and after numbers. So I'm going to need your help because, well, you're smarter than me, so I need some help here. I need to know what number comes before 13 and what number comes after 13. So can you help me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did you say 12? Yep. 12, 13. What number comes after it? 12, 13. Yep. 14. Good job. Now let's look a little closer at this number. 75. 75. If this is 7, 5, you would have 7. What number comes before 5? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 74, 75, 70, 4, 5, 6. 76. Did you get those done? Well, that was pretty good, but we're not done. You know we aren't. Let me erase all this. And let me trade it for two different numbers. Are you ready to trade? I like new numbers. I know you like new numbers. Oh boy, these are easy ones, huh? You know that number. What's that number? That's right, it's 2. What comes in front of 2? 1, 1, 2. What comes after 2? 3. 1, 2, 3. Did you notice my cup up here? That's the mystery cup. We'll come back to it. Don't you want to know what's under there? I think I hear something. Listen. I do. I hear something jumping around in there. I hope it's not a tarantula. Maybe my daughter put a tarantula in there. I hope not. This is the number 98. 98. What comes before 98? We know it's in the 90s family. What number comes before 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 97, 98. What's the next one? 99. And what's that wonderful number we like to say after that? 100. Yay. We'll put smiley faces in there because 100's a wonderful number, especially if it's a $100 bill. Let me erase all this and let's try again. What could be in there? Oh, it's moving. I'll give you a clue. It rhymes with habit. Something that rhymes with habit is underneath that cup. Habit. Nabbit rhymes with habit. I don't think it's nabbit, though. I don't know what a nabbit is. All right, last two numbers. 40. Well, finding the number that comes after 40 is pretty easy. 40, 40, 41, right? That's easy. What comes in front of 40? That's a little harder. If we're looking at the 4 here, we know that the family in front of it would be the 3, 30 family, which would be 30. So it's something in the 30s. 30, 40, 41, 30, what number is there? 30, 39, 39, 40, 41. Oh, stop moving. That cup was moving. Did you see that? Did you see that? That cup was moving. Oh, maybe I should put a rock on top of it. Is there a rock around here? Oh, there is. There is a rock. I'll put a rock on top of it. There. Rock will keep it in place. Don't move. Don't move. Okay, I think it's going to obey. All right, let's look right here at 9. Okay. What number comes before 9? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, that's easy. 9, 10. 8 comes before, 10 comes after. What number was in the middle? 9. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. It's not going to go away. Are you worried about this cup? This cup right here? I think you're worried. I'm worried too. Oh, boy. It's shaking. Oh, make it stop. Make it stop. Didn't we say it rhymed with habit? Nothing as wonderful as a rabbit. A rabbit times 2. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, 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 hop. Good job, kiddos. Yeah, good job. This rabbit is before. This rabbit is after my marker. Before and after. Numbers you need to know.